Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Essay My Aim in Life. Aim mean maqsad. Life without aim is useless. Useless bemaqsad. Life is a great blessing of God. It should be spent on a purpose with certain aim. There are many professions, but my goal is to become a teacher. A teacher is a real guide to his students. It is only teacher who is the maker of all other professions. In every field, everyone gets education from his teachers. A teacher leads people to the right path from the darkness. A teacher tells us the ways and values of life. He tells us how to live and what are the values of life. I chose the profession because it is the profession of prophets. Mean I chose the profession teaching. All the prophets were teachers. They preaches Islam. They preaches values of life. They preaches morality to the people. I want to become a lecturer. I know great aims require hard struggle, so I shall work hard. Mean to achieve my goal, I will struggle hard. May God give me success to my aim and give me power to fulfill my purpose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.